So guys, for the first method, once you're on our Excel document, you want to click on File in the top left, and now you want to click on Info. And now once you're on this, you want to select Protect Workbook, and now you want to click on Encrypt with Password. You can now enter in your password that you want, and then click on OK. Now you need to re-enter your password, and then click on OK again. That's the first method. For the second method, you want to click on File in the top left again, and now you want to click on Save As, and now you want to click on Browse. And you can now choose where you want to save it to. Now, where it says Tools, you want to click on the drop down. You want to select General Options. You can now set your password right here. Password to open and password to modify, and then click on OK. You now want to re-enter your password to proceed, and then click on OK again. Re-enter password to modify, and then click on OK again, and then click on Save. So that's two methods on how you can do that.